crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome back to our series Countdown to Christmas. This is a series I started back in the summer where I did a video every 25th of the month to get this journal ready in order to document my December. For December, I have created a Countdown to Christmas prompts broken up into weeks, with each week having a theme. And now we're on to week 2. I am using several kits in this album. I have created my own kit, the Memories of Christmas 2024, that is available over on my Ko-fi site. I do have some freebies over there also, like these December daily number circles. So go over there and check that out if you'd like. I'm also using 3 kits from the Paper Bee Creative. This is part of a design team project that I've been working on again since the summer. I am using the kits Yuletide, Rustic Christmas, and the Scrap Pack Rustic Christmas. I will have all that information down in the description box where you can go over to the Paper Bee's Etsy site and grab those. So for week 2, I did my Holiday Wishes theme title on my book plate here. I stamped in the week 2 on the tab for the divider. And then I put my prompt list for week 2. The theme this week is Holiday Wishes. We're writing a letter to Santa. What's your favorite treat? Holiday bucket list. Random acts of kindness. Dreaming of. Perfect Christmas memory. And the smell of the holiday. So for December 8th, I did my letter to Santa. I did my book plate label here with my number, and I used one of the backing pages for Yuletide from the Paper Bee Creative. On this page, I created a pocket here to hold my letter to Santa. This is part of my kit, Memories of Christmas 2024, and I wrote in my Dear Santa, and on the back I've got my letter to Santa. On the inside page here, I've got one of the images from one of the Paper Bees kits, and also one of my fussy cuts from my kit. For December 9th, your favorite treat, I've included the Yule log here from the Yuletide kit, because I love to make Yule log cakes for Christmas. And then on the other side, I created a pocket with part of my kit and the tag that came with my kit. And my treat is all sweet treats for Christmas. And I added in the phrase, at Christmas, play and make good cheer, for Christmas comes but once a year. And that's kind of my motto. I love to eat all the sweet treats that are for Christmas. Candy canes, gingerbreads, hot chocolate, eggnog. I just love all the treats at Christmas. So for December 10th, we've got Holiday Bucket List. This is one of the pages in the kit from Yuletide. I added my December 10th number circle there, and I created my bucket list here. Making Christmas cookies, watching Little Women, make Christmas cards, and the list goes on. And I've left room to add more as I think of things I would like to do between now and Christmas. For December 11th, Random Acts of Kindness. This is one of the pages from the Rustic Christmas kit from the Paper Bee. Again, that link will be down in the description box. And on the back, I used one of my pages for my kit with the butterfly, because I think of butterflies as being a new beginning, that kind of things, which I thought was the perfect thing for Random Acts of Kindness. And I made my tag to hold my random act of kindness that I did. I used some book page to go in the back, one of the fussy cuts from my kit, and did a pocket to hold my tag. And then I used some of the embellishments from one of the Paper Bees kit. On day 12, Dreaming of. This is one of the pages from Yuletide. Fussy cut out the globe here to be my pocket. This is the backing paper from my kit, and one of my tags from the kit, and a fussy cut here, and a Christmas dream. My Christmas dream is, it's kind of cliche, but a white Christmas. I live in the South, and so we don't often get a whole lot of snow, and one day I hope to be somewhere where I'll see a white Christmas. So on the back I used my snowflake paper and some of the Tim Holtz Christmas sentiment strips, Song of the Snowflakes, A White Christmas Appeared, A Delicate Coat of Frost. That fits right in there. On day 13, this page is from the Yule Kit, Perfect Christmas Memory. This page is from my kit, and I created a little tuck spot here with a fussy cut from my kit, and I used the little envelope from my kit to create my own little letter to myself to tell me what my perfect Christmas memory was. And I journaled about the time I gave my mother some tickets to see Graceland for Christmas. And lastly, for day 14, the picture image comes from Yuletide. I did my label, the smell of Christmas, my day circle, and then on the back I did some collage style layering with some book page, images from several of the kits, and then wrote in what I thought the smells of Christmas were. Evergreen, candy cane, gingerbread, and I layered in some fabric. So that ends my week 2 of our countdown to Christmas prompts. I hope y'all are enjoying this, and please hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. We still have weeks 3 and 4 to go, so I hope you'll come back and join me for those. And I'd love it if you join my Facebook group and show me what you're doing for your December dailies. That link will also be in the description box. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.